A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Rishikul online classes. Dear students, now I'm going to discuss about the chapter The Letter A in this module. Already we have discussed about the author Christy Brown in the previous module, who was born on 5th June 1932, who was physically handicapped. Even then, he was a brilliant painter. The Letter A is an autobiography of Christy Brown. He describes how he overcome his massive handicap with his willpower, firm determination, and with the continuous effort and love of his mother. The Letter A, an autobiography, My Left Foot, written by Christy Brown. He was suffering from cerebral palsy. He was unable to even move by himself until he was 5 years old. When he was 4 months old, his mother found that there was something wrong with him. The doctors told that he was a hopeless case. But his mother believed that her child was not an idiot. It was his body that was shattered, not his mind. She believed that her son might be physically weak but not mentally retarded. She was a woman of a strong determination who loved Christy just like her other children. She wanted to bring a change in his life. Even at the age of 5, he could neither sit nor speak. Everybody, even every part of his body, were useless. His mother would show him pictures of animals, flowers, and ask him to repeat them after her. She hoped that Christy would at least learn and communicate with others. Her mother felt very sad but was determined to help him. One day, his siblings were doing maths work on a slate, and Christy got attracted towards an yellow chalk. He put his left foot in his sister's hand and took the chalk. His mother wrote the letter A on the floor, and Christy also tried to write letter A with his left foot, and it was the first time he tried to write something with his foot. So, dear students, now we came to know that he was physically handicapped, but he was mentally very strong. So, thank you so much, dear students. Now we have discussed the summary of this chapter, and in the next module we will discuss question answer of this chapter. Thank you so much.